Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and in this video I would like to show how you can first of all add some widgets to your home screen, and also I'll show the best 3 widgets that you definitely don't want to miss out. So let's go ahead and start. In order to access the widget menu, you just gotta make the shrinking movement, the shrinking swipe, or just tap and hold. Here you can choose the widgets. And now you are in the widgets menu. Here you can look for some specific widget. The widgets are divided into some categories, so I'll go ahead and show you the first widget that you would definitely want to add. So it's obviously a clock widget. Here you can choose from the designs that are available. I'll go with this one. Touch and hold the widget that you would like to add and place it wherever you'd like. You can also change the size of widgets, and rotate it to the between the home screens as well. I'll leave it here, for example. The next widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar widget. So here you gotta either enter the Google search bar. I'll just go ahead and do it. So Google, as you can see, there is the designated Google category. Here just tap on it. You have all kinds of widgets, so sound search, search bar, and at a glance. I'll just pick the search bar. So just tap, hold, and choose the place that you would like to drop it at, and release your finger, just like that. I'll put it in the middle somewhere, like this. And the last widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the weather widget. So you basically will be able to monitor what weather is at the place of your stay. Just find the weather category, and as it was previously, pick the design that you like the most. I'll go with this one. That's the most simple design and I like it. And place it somewhere here. After that, it will ask you to choose the location of yours. Just wait for it to load it real quick. And as you can see, the location has been added. So we are right now in Krakow. It's 18 degrees Celsius. So everything is correct. And that was all 3 widgets that I would like to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.